Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get a Rumble Premium step by step. I will explain what Premium gives you, how to subscribe safely, and how to manage your plan after you buy it. So this is the official and the legal method without using any other tricks or bypassing it. So first of all, you need to come here on rumble.com. You can also follow the same steps in your Rumble mobile application. So when you are here, simply click on the option of sign up if you haven't already created your account on Rumble. You can click on the option of sign in if you already have an account. So here, once you sign in, when you go to the option of subscriptions, you will be landed here on this Rumble Premium subscription page. Over here, you will see the premium or the membership options. So if you scroll down a bit, you will see that their monthly subscription is going to cost you $1.10 per month. Their annual subscription is going to cost you $11 per year. On the annual subscription, you are going to save 16% over monthly. So here you can also look at their bundle and saves. So it is going to cost you $23.99 per month. In it, you are also going to get Perplexity Pro bundle absolutely for free. So among the given available plans, you just have to select the one in which you are interested. Rumble Premium usually includes the things like ad-free viewing, extra features, and creator support tools depending on your region. So for example, let's say I'm interested in purchasing this particular monthly subscription plan. So simply click on the option of subscribe now. Now it is going to show you this type of pop-up where it will basically going to ask you to select your plan. Then if you have any promo code, you can add it over here. Afterwards, click on the option of purchase. On the next page, you just have to select a payment method of your choice. It can be a debit card, credit card, or any other payment methods. Afterwards, you just have to provide your billing details and make sure that you provide the details correctly. Then simply just conclude your payment and you will get your Rumble Premium subscription on your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And you can also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.